Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a fav icon to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, what the fav icon is, it is the icon that appears next to your search on Google. For example, if you search or on any search engine for that matter, but when you search something on Google, you will get the results listed out, and next to the URL you will see a small icon of the site. Now that will most likely be a logo of the site, and that is also the same logo that appears on your tabs at the top of your browser. Now it is very easy to upload this and to change this on Squarespace. It is literally 2-3 buttons, and that is pretty much it. It does need to be a certain format, however it'll be downscaled automatically if you upload a larger image. But without further ado, let's get right into how you can actually do this. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the gear icon to go into your settings menu, and from the website menu, which will automatically open up, you have the fav icon setting right over here. Now, as you can see, you can adjust your site's fav icon over here, and you can select 2 of them if you want to. Now, as you can see, the images need to be 0.1 megabytes in size at a maximum, so make sure that your images are not of a larger size. Usually you can just downscale the resolution and the size will automatically go down. And to upload it, you can just easily click here on this plus, click upload file, or select from the library if you so choose, if you already have assets uploaded. And once you upload a default fav icon, you can also select a dark mode fav icon if you want, which is pretty much if your site has a dark mode, it'll show you the dark mode icon when you enter dark mode, so it is sort of a better customization option if you want to. And as you can see here at the bottom, icons should be in the PNG format, and the recommended sizing is between 100 by 100 pixels and 300 by 300, so you can just select any of these that you want and make sure that they are of a square ratio or a 1:1 aspect ratio, so that both vertical and horizontal resolutions are the same. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.